Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The flagship sedan from Mercedes-Benz has always represented the pinnacle of luxury, innovation, and performance, and the new model is no exception. Whether you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, elite craftsmanship, or simply looking to see how Mercedes continues to set the bar, this review is for you. Let's start with the first thing that catches your eye: the exterior. The 2026 S-Class brings a refined evolution to its already elegant design. The silhouette remains sleek and sophisticated, but it now sports a slightly more aerodynamic shape, with a sloping roofline and a smoother front fascia. The grille is wider and more seamlessly integrated into the body, flanked by ultra-slim digital light headlamps that offer adaptive illumination depending on the driving environment. Subtle chrome accents and flush door handles emphasize the minimalist luxury aesthetic. In the rear, redesigned OLED taillights add to the sense of futuristic class, and the whole car sits on new multi-spoke alloy wheels ranging from 19 to 21 inches depending on the trim level. Moving inside, the interior is where Mercedes has truly outdone itself. The 2026 S-Class offers an ultra-luxurious cabin that feels more like a tech-laden lounge than a vehicle. The centerpiece is the massive second-generation MBX infotainment system, now with a 15-inch floating OLED touchscreen and enhanced voice control that understands natural language even better than before. A digital instrument cluster provides 3D displays without the need for glasses, and it's fully customizable to suit your preferences. The steering wheel has capacitive touch buttons, and even the air vents can be adjusted digitally via the screen. Seating is an experience in itself. The front seats are multi-contour with massage, heating, and cooling as expected. But it's the rear that truly shines. In executive configurations, the back offers fully reclining seats with footrests, a rear tablet to control functions like media, climate, and ambient lighting, and even a refrigerator between the seats as an option. Materials include Nappa leather, real wood trim with aluminum inlays, and an expanded ambient lighting system with over 250 LEDs, providing customizable moods that gently guide the eyes through the cabin's contours. Under the hood, the S-Class offers several powertrain options. The base S500 comes with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six with mild hybrid support, producing around 435 horsepower. The S580 steps up with a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, now tuned for better efficiency and output, delivering about 510 horsepower. Both versions come with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and a silky 9-speed automatic transmission. There's also a plug-in hybrid S580e that combines electric and gas power for a more environmentally conscious, yet powerful experience. Ride quality is nothing short of sublime thanks to the e-active body control system, which scans the road ahead and adjusts suspension in real time to absorb imperfections almost before you feel them. For those concerned with safety and driver assistance, the 2026 model integrates the latest in Level 2+ autonomous driving. Features include advanced adaptive cruise control, lane change assist, emergency braking, and an improved parking assist system that can now handle tighter spaces with greater ease and accuracy. Now let's talk price. The 2026 S-Class doesn't come cheap as expected. The S500 4MATIC starts around $15,000, while the more powerful S580 begins at approximately $35,000. Add in premium packages like the executive rear seat package, AMG line styling, or the e-active suspension, and you're easily looking at a price well north of $16,000. The plug-in hybrid S580e sits somewhere in between, depending on configuration and battery options. All in all, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class continues to uphold its title as the gold standard of luxury sedans. Whether you're being driven or driving it yourself, it wraps you in opulence, technology, and performance like few others can. If you're considering your next high-end luxury vehicle, this one should absolutely be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 S-Class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next review. See you in the next video.